According to latest media reports, France will deliver 35 Rafale fighter jets to the Indian Air Force by the end of 2021, while the last fighter jet will make a solo journey to the Hashimara Air Base in North Bengal in January 2022. Given the reliability of strategic partner France, the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy have expressed keen interest in the Rafale platform due to its weight-to-power ratio and maritime strike capabilities. The Indian Air Force leadership wants to acquire another 36 Rafale fighter jets, and the Navy is looking at Rafale M for its INS Vikrant aircraft carrier that will be commissioned next year. And the report also said that France have also offered to jointly develop the Hammer extended range version and Meteor missiles with India. Dassault Aerospace Express Limited will sublease part of a plot in the International Hub Airport at Nagpur from the Maharashtra Airport Development Company Limited for establishing Rafale fighter jet servicing center in the country that will become functional by the end of 2022. The upcoming facility will be used for overhauling Rafale fighters and also carry out software and hardware upgrades to the aircraft. That also includes integration and certification of local and imported weapon systems under supervision by Dassault Aviation. The Dassault Aerospace Express Limited facility can also be used to manufacture Rafale fighter jets for the Indian Air Force, if the company is awarded a contract for additional aircraft that are mandated to be manufactured and assembled in India. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the first prototype of the Tejas MK2 will be ready by December 2022, and the flight trials will be completed by 2027, and the production might only start between 2029 and 2030. The rollout of Tejas MK2 was earlier planned in August 2022, and now it has been officially postponed to December 2022, which also verifies our recent report that the Tejas MK2 program has been delayed due to the lockdown, which caused disruption of the private supply ecosystem of micro, small and medium enterprises. The Aircraft Upgrade and Research and Development Center of Hindustan Aeronautics has been selected for the integration of next-generation radar warning receiver system for Su-30 fighter jets that has been developed by DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory. The trials will be conducted in 14 months from signing of initial contract, and the trial will also include a jammer pod with next-generation radar warning receiver configuration. Ordnance Factory Dumdum has received bulk production clearance certificate from the Directorate General of Aeronautical Quality Assurance for the development of tail unit for the 500 kg general purpose bomb that has been developed through in-house research and development with the help of DRDO's Armament Research and Development Establishment. Apart from building new bases and adding new air defense units along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh region, China is also collaborating with Pakistan to establish a surface-to-air missile defense system in POK. Chinese aircraft have also been using the Skardu Air Base in POK for refueling purposes, which is 100 kilometers from the Leh Air Base in Ladakh. Indian Navy's WS-61 Sea King anti-submarine warfare helicopter became the first aircraft to land on the decks of the INS Vikrant at Cochin shipyard. As per latest reports, INS Vikrant will begin sea trials in December, and will be commissioned into the Eastern Naval Command by mid-2022. The U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken had arrived on his maiden visit to India yesterday, and he held extensive talks with Indian Foreign Minister National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Prime Minister Modi on a wide range of issues. The US is also likely to push for the sale of the long-pending acquisition of 30 MQ-9B drones for the 3 Indian armed services, while the Indian Ministry of Defence is planning to conclude the $2.4 billion contract for 6 more Boeing P-8I long-range maritime surveillance aircraft in 2022. India and Russia will carry out the 12th edition of the Indra exercise with a focus on counter-terror operations in the Russian city of Volgograd from 1st August. The 13-day military exercise will see the participation of 250 personnel from each side, that will further strengthen interoperability between the Indian and Russian armies, and will enable sharing of best practices between the contingents. The Minister of Earth Sciences has said that the recently approved 4,000 crore rupees Deep Ocean mission by the centre will expand the exploration and utilization of deep-sea resources, and India will have an ambitious program of manned submersible vehicles by 2025 that can carry 3 scientists to a depth of 6,000 meters into the ocean.
Omar dropped it.